right, so Pride Week has just started here in Sweden, and Grona Lund is celebrating that with their pride flags up on the lift hill of Jetline, and we think that's pretty damn awesome. All right, here we go. Still such a fun ride. Here we go. Oh man. Hello, pride flags. Hello, drop. Oh! Whee! Oh man. Oh, they do not make rides like this anymore, and I wish they did. Woo! Oh! Here we go, into the tunnel! Woo! Out of the tunnel! That is such a kick-ass ride. We're doing a backseat ride on the Jetline, also known as the Jetline here in Stockholm, Sweden at Grona Lund. And just look at the track. It is just one gigantic mess of Schwarzkopf track everywhere. And as we climb the lift hill, you can see that this ride goes under and over other roller coasters here at Grona Lund. It is just an awesome coaster. All right, kids, here we go. In the tunnel! Out of the tunnel! Here we are flying over Twister, and then we're gonna go under the Wild Mouse. All right, here comes this crazy dive. No! All the turns are so tight. Oh! Here we go. No! And oh! Oh! And into the tunnel again. Woo! They don't make rides like this anymore. So much fun.